Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing Cursor AI, one of the fastest growing AI code editors that's becoming incredibly popular among developers and beginners alike. So what exactly is Cursor AI? Cursor AI is an AI powered code editor built on Visual Studio Code. It combines a professional coding environment with advanced AI, allowing you to generate code, edit files, explain complex functions, debug errors, and even build complete projects using simple prompts. Now let's see how to get started. First, visit the official Cursor AI website and download the software for your operating system. After installation, open Cursor AI and click Sign Up. You can continue using your Google account, GitHub account, or your email address. After logging in, verify your account if required, and you're ready to start using Cursor AI within minutes. The interface will look familiar if you've used VS Code before. On the left, you'll find your project files, while the AI assistant is available whenever you need help. One of Cursor AI's biggest strengths is its AI chat. Instead of manually writing every line of code, you can simply type something like create a responsive landing page with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Within seconds, Cursor AI generates clean, organized code. Another impressive feature is code editing. You can highlight existing code and ask Cursor AI to improve performance, fix bugs, optimize functions, or explain what each section does in simple language. If you're a beginner, this feature alone can save hours of frustration because it doesn't just give answers, it explains the logic behind them. Cursor AI also understands your entire project instead of just a single file. That means it can suggest smarter changes across multiple files, making development much faster than using a standard AI chatbot. So, is Cursor AI worth it? If you're a developer, student, freelancer, or someone learning programming, Cursor AI can significantly improve your productivity. The free version is enough to explore its core features, while the Pro plan unlocks faster responses, higher limits, and access to more advanced AI models for professional users. Overall, Cursor AI is one of the best AI coding assistants available today because it's fast, accurate, beginner-friendly, and designed to make software development much easier. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments whether you'd like a complete Cursor AI tutorial next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.